Hello, this is Magdi again. Today we will be talking about the SQL insert into statement, and we have two ways to insert a row into SQL table. So if we have a customers table and it has 4 columns, and we want to insert data in or to insert a row is all the 4 columns has values. So in this case we can write insert into customers, and we can write values, and then we specify all the values in the same order. So the first name, it will be John, the last name will be Adams, the city will be New York, the company, it will be ABC, and if we execute this command, all the values will be inserted as a row. So the first name will be John, the last name will be Adams, the city New York, and the company ABC. So if we don't have the information, for example, about the city and the company, and we want to insert values only into certain columns, then we will have to specify these columns in the insert into statement as follows. So we can write insert into customers and open a parenthesis, and we can see that we will specify the name of the columns that the values will be inserted to, the first name and the last name only, and after that we specify the values, and it will be Tim for the first name and Black for the second name. So the values will be inserted only inside the first name as Tim, the last name as Black, and the other two values will be blank or null. It's the same. So here we will demonstrate the example in the SQL Management Studio. We will create the same table customers, but I will add a new column called age. The age is of type integer, and we will create this a table. And if we try to select all the values from this table now, it will be empty as we have just created it. So we are going to insert a row with all values of all columns inside this table. So the first name, it will be John, the last name will be Adams, the city New York, the company ABC, and the age, it will be written as a number, and as it is integer, it will not be written in any quotation in single or double. It will be like that. And after executing the command of the insert, we can select again onto the table, and we can see that the row is added. So all the values are added in the same order. And after that we will insert a new row, but in this case we will insert only the first name and the last name. So the first name, it will be Tim, and the last name will be Black. we will execute this command, and after that we can select the table. uh, we can see here that only the values that are specified in the insert statement are inserted. The other values are null. So this is all that I wanted to explain in this video. If you have any comment about how to enhance our videos, we will be glad to hear them. You can write them in the comments section, and also please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get all our updates. See you later.